For teenage skin, don't wash your face in the morning, only rinse it with rooibos tea. Then you apply the Face Facts moisturizer and you apply our SPF 50 sunblock on top of it. Very, very nice soft sunblock that won't make your skin oily. Then at night, you wash your skin with our gel cleanser and you add Rooibos Rescue Cream as your night treatment. It will calm down your skin because it contains 60% Rooibos tea and it will give it a little bit of moisture, which is very, very nice. Then for extra treatment, use our Skin Detox Serum. Skin Detox Serum helps to clear up the skin and help the skin to keep it from breakouts. But if there is a breakout, you can use the Spotless treatment on top of there. It also works very nice for cold sores. Then last but not least is our charcoal body soap. This charcoal soap you can use on your skin as well, on your face, but we especially use it for the body, the back, the arms where you have a breakout. It will prevent your skin from breaking out. So this is the products that you can use to keep your skin clear.